In this video, I will show you how to create, edit, and end a split test. To begin, go to Web Split Testing. In this main panel, you'll see a listing of active and running split tests, inactive, in draft status, or completed split tests with results pertaining to them. To get started, click on Add Experiment. Name the experiment with a descriptive title. On the next step, you'll be prompted to select the funnels that you want to split test. Any funnel in the system is available for split test, except if there is a running split test on that funnel. Once you select the funnel, the available routes to split test within it will be any route or page where the traffic will be divided to the different variations in the test. From the split test panel, you'll notice that by default, all split tests are created in a status of inactive. This means it's a draft and it will not run until you change the status to active and save. Under the pages listing, you'll see all the pages that are available to use for a split test for that specific route. If you haven't created any, you will only see the single page that is the control by default when the funnel is created. To create a variation, simply click the duplicate icon and name it. Home. That will automatically clone the existing control, and you can jump right into that specific variation page to make the edits that you'd like to split test. On the right hand side, you see all of the offers that are included for this split test. This tells the system what to track in terms of revenue from these two pages in the test. Select all of the offers that you'd like to track by creating Add an Offer, and our system will track sales of that offer coming from these two pages here. Once you're ready, select Status Active, click Save, and your experiment will be live. Here you'll see all of the stats that are collected, including visits to each individual page and sales to any of the offers that you had selected previously. You can check in at any time to see the stats of this split test here and see which one is winning. If you go to the funnels listing page, now that there is a split test running, you'll notice that there is a yellow split test flag that will not allow you to edit the pages while the split test is running. Please ensure that all of the changes are correct and ready before starting a split test. Otherwise, you will need to end the split test altogether and start it all over if there's changes between it. This is done because we want to keep the integrity of the split test data and not take into account any changes that are done as the test runs. Now, at any point, you can click on the Reports and Analytics icon to take you back to the split test results and see which variation is performing better. When you're ready to declare a winner, simply click Finish the Experiment, and you'll be prompted to select which of the two pages you want to keep as the new control. Please note that when you select the variation as the new control, all of the funnel stats like page visits and sales will be reset. As you can see, everything resets back down to 0. You'll now have your new variation as the control, and the other page that existed there prior is still in the funnel, but it's not visible anymore. All of the stats and historical data of your split tests are saved under the Split Testing tab in Active or Finished. If you ever need to revisit those stats, you can go here and see how it performed. And there you have it. That's how you create, edit, and finish a split test.